What if I told you that luxury hotels don't achieve those impossibly sparkling bathrooms through expensive products or hours of labor, but through one counterintuitive technique that takes 90 seconds and uses a tool you'd never expect? What if this secret could transform your bathroom from dull and streaky to hotel perfect in less time than your current method takes? I paid a housekeeper to reveal exactly how she makes 20 bathrooms sparkle daily, and what she showed me changed everything I thought I knew about bathroom cleaning. Stay with me to the end, because this is genuine insider knowledge. The question that haunted me. Every time I stay at a nice hotel, I'm struck by the same question. How is the bathroom so incredibly clean? The mirrors are crystal clear with zero streaks. The chrome fixtures gleam like they're brand new. The glass shower door is perfectly transparent. The tiles shine. There's not a single water spot, soap scum residue, or fingerprint anywhere. And I know housekeepers are cleaning dozens of these bathrooms daily. They can't be spending an hour per bathroom. So what's the secret? What do they know that I don't? Why this works so much better? The Squeegee method works for several reasons most people don't understand. First, it removes 100% of moisture in one pass. Cloths, even microfiber, leave behind trace moisture that evaporates and can cause streaks and water spots. Second, it doesn't push dirt around. It lifts and removes it in the water. Third, it's faster. One smooth squeegee pass versus multiple wiping passes. Fourth, it doesn't leave lint or cloth fibers. The result is genuinely spotless surfaces. The complete hotel method. She showed me the full process. First, spray cleaner. She used simple vinegar and water solution. Let it sit for 30 seconds while you do something else. Then squeegee in long, overlapping strokes from top to bottom. Wipe the squeegee blade after each stroke. For vertical surfaces like mirrors, work top to bottom. For horizontal surfaces like counters, work in straight lines toward you. Dry any edges with your blade wiping cloth. The entire process is smooth, rhythmic, and incredibly fast. I tested this method at home the next day. I bought a simple squeegee for $20. I cleaned my bathroom mirror, which usually takes me 5 to 10 minutes, with streaky results. Using the squeegee technique, 20 seconds, perfectly clear. My shower door that always had water spots, 45 seconds, completely transparent. Chrome faucets, 15 seconds, gleaming. I was shocked at how effective and fast this was. Why nobody teaches this? The cleaning product industry doesn't want you to know this because squeegees cost about $20 once and last for years. They can't sell you endless bottles of glass cleaner, bathroom spray, and microfiber cloths if you use a squeegee and simple vinegar solution. There's no recurring revenue in teaching people the most effective method. So they keep promoting cloth-based cleaning that's slower, less effective, and requires more products. The results after 1 month. I've been using the squeegee method for 1 month. My bathroom consistently looks hotel perfect. Mirrors are always streak-free. Glass is always clear. Chrome always gleams. And I'm spending 70% less time cleaning while achieving dramatically better results. The difference between my old method and this technique is like the difference between sweeping with a broom versus using a vacuum. It's not just marginally better, it's transformative. The investment. 1 squeegee, $20. Bottle of white vinegar, $3. Total, $23 for supplies that will last months or years. Compare that to the hundreds I was spending on glass cleaners, bathroom sprays, and endless microfiber cloths. This isn't just more effective, it's also far more economical. Now you know the hotel bathroom sparkle secret? Squeegee everything after spraying. Wipe the blade between passes. Work systematically. If this just revealed why hotel bathrooms always look better than yours, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more insider secrets revealed. Share with anyone who wants a hotel-quality bathroom. Comment if you're buying a squeegee today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, squeegee like a professional, work smarter, and enjoy a bathroom that finally sparkles like a hotel.